Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to press a custom rhinestone name onto this mermaid backpack. This is a Rebel backpack. The material is actually like a glitter mermaid blend, so it's kind of finicky, but we've done this before, so we've tested it and it's been a proven method that we've been using. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open the pockets. So our press that we're using is the Stahl's Hottronic press. We're actually using an interchangeable platen, which is the smaller version of the platen. The 16 by 20 is a little bit too big for this, so we're going to use the 5 by 7. So we're going to unhinge these two flaps and this one. And now you want to get a higher area for pressing this so that you don't press the zipper or the zipper closure. That way it doesn't melt and you don't like burn your fingers off. So we're going to actually be using a leg pillow to do this. So we have our standard leg pillow that I've just folded into a third. And we're going to put that inside of the smaller area that we're going to be pressing to. That way, the area that we're pressing to is higher than both the zipper and the zipper closure. We have the 5 by 7 platen, and I also have just a little stationary stool. This helps support the backpack if any part of the backpack falls down. That way it doesn't fall onto the floor and ruin your press. So I've already preset the pressure to be about 7. And what we're going to do is also, noticed that I set the temperature to 340. We're pressing machine cut stones, and they need a little bit more temperature and pressure to be able to hold on. So we're going to grab our rhinestone transfer, and you'll also notice that I use 2 pieces of magic tape. This is a heat-resistant tape that the Rhinestone World sells. It's super good to use, and it also helps because it's reusable. So you can use it over and over again until it loses its sticky. So I'm just going to quick measure with my fingers, no rulers. And now that I have it in the place that I want it and the tape is down, I'm going to just put our cover sheet over it to protect both the transfer, the backpack, from the heating element itself. So we're going to press this for 15 seconds. And you notice that the pressure is at a 7. It's going to be a little bit higher than normal just because we're working with a unique area and also we're working with machine cut stones. We really want them to have a good pressure. Take that off. What I like to do here is just give a quick pat down. This both cools the transfer so you don't burn yourself, and it also gives a little bit extra pressure to the stones to make sure that they've adhered. We're going to peel the transfer tape off, which looks like we got a good transfer. So this is the final product for this backpack. Machine cut stones are a little bit more expensive, but they shine so much better than just the regular crystal stones, and especially for this type of backpack, it's going to be really nice for this girl.